Welcome, design lovers, space optimizers, and home dreamers. Today, we're diving into a delightful collection of IKEA gems, each with a unique purpose, personality, and charm. Whether you're here for a statement piece, smart storage, or that just right finishing touch, you're about to discover functional beauty with a dash of magic. All the links are included in the description, so you can explore more whenever inspiration strikes. 1. EKBACKEN Countertop. White marble effect. Who said luxury needs to be fragile? This sleek, modern laminate countertop mimics marble like a pro. Minus the worry, it's durable, easy to clean, and ready for whatever culinary chaos you throw at it. Slice it down to size, and it'll still look designer. 2. BLÅNEPETA Duvet Insert. Cool light blue. For those nights when the sheets feel too clingy, this duvet says, chill. Literally. Cool to the touch with moisture-wicking magic. It's your ticket to a dry, dreamy sleep. No sweat, no drama. 3. FRIDHULT Sleeper Sofa. Light gray or yellow compact but clever. This sofa pulls off a double life with ease. By day, a tidy minimalist lounge spot. By night, a cozy sleep haven. It's the small space hero you never knew you needed. 4. BURVIK Side Table. White A side table that moonlights as your home's MVP. Lightweight, handle-equipped, and practically begging to be picked up and moved to wherever you need it. Breakfast in bed? Easy. Cocktail on the balcony? Let's go. 5. RIKTIG Curtain Hooks. 20-pack curtains behave better with the right support. These handy little hooks snap into action to give your drapes that flawless fall every time. Effortless? Absolutely. 6. BÄCKLAG Ceiling Fan with Light. White. Who knew something so practical could be this charming? With its minimalist design and breeze-on-demand settings, BÄCKLAG keeps your space cool in summer, cozy in winter, and stylish all year round. 7. MARISTOVA Mirror. Rattan Frame. It's a mirror, yes, but also a quiet nod to Japanese and Scandinavian calm. The rattan frame adds texture, soul, and just enough wabi-sabi charm to make your space feel thoughtful and serene. 8. SPINNARHÄJ Jar with Lid, Off-White. This charming jar is your countertop's best-dressed guest, whether it's holding sugar, tea, or secret treats. Its soft matte finish adds a sense of quiet luxury. 9. BLANDA matte serving bowl, bamboo. Bring a little earthy elegance to your snacks or salads. Bamboo keeps it light and durable, while the sculpted curves elevate your casual dinner to something a bit more special. Ten. Satsuma's plant stand, bamboo white. Turn your living room into a leafy oasis with this plant ladder that's part minimalist sculpture, part vertical garden. Small space? No problem. Your plants just found a stage. 11. Ikea 365 plus pitcher with lid. Clear glass cork. Simple, functional, and stylish. This glass pitcher is ready to serve up iced tea in summer, mulled cider in winter, and complements all year round. 12. Tinglos tray with 3 bowls. Bamboo white a party platter disguised as modern art. 3 bowls rest atop a bamboo base, perfect for dips, olives, or treats you claim are just for guests. 13. Natgiba laundry basket. Handmade willow laundry doesn't have to be boring. This hand-woven willow basket is practical art, a beautiful piece that brings warmth and order to your daily chaos. 14. Clockran bamboo steamer, 5 quarts. Bring a bit of tradition and a lot of flavor into your kitchen. This 2-tier bamboo steamer is your new secret weapon for healthy, delicious meals, served straight to the table. 15. Saluting laundry basket. Bamboo, meet your laundry's new sanctuary. Lightweight, handmade, and with a lid so pretty it's practically decor. This basket transforms a chore into a design moment. 16. Stockholm 2025 serving plates. Gray, set of 2 rustic but refined. These stoneware plates are the unsung heroes of your next tapas night. Their textured gray glaze makes whatever you're serving feel curated and cool. 17. Stockholm 2025 serving set. Walnut, 2 pieces sleek walnut servers that feel more like sculptural tools than utensils. They bring quiet sophistication to your salad game. And yes, they pair perfectly with the rest of the Stockholm line. 18. Chili strawn hanging planter. Indoor, outdoor, white plants love to be admired, and this hanging planter gives them the perfect spotlight. Indoors or out, it adds a vertical flourish of greenery wherever you choose to hang it. And there you have it. A tour through textures, temperatures, and timeless style, all brought to life through IKEA's signature design sensibility. Whether you're building a cozy nook or organizing your wildest dreams, these products are ready to make your space sing. Don't forget, all the links are in the description above. So feel free to wander back, click, and explore to your heart's content.